We look at soalan B pula for 3 marks. Diberi your alpha and beta. Okay, those are the roots. Those are the punca-punca for persamaan kuadratik 3x square minus 4x plus 9. Okay, find the persamaan kuadratik baharu, a new one. Okay, dalam exam bila nampak soalan macam ni kan, persamaan kuadratik baru, a new one means okay, automatically this is jalan kerja. Kena cari hasil tambah punca yang lama. You have to find the old one first ataupun original lah. I think some books they use original, tapi teacher use old. Okay, lagi satu, kena cari hasil darab punca yang lama. That means find the old POR first, then only you can find the new one. Okay, okay, so beri jawapan dalam bentuk yang ni. Okay, before we start, ini the new one lah. Ini adalah punca-punca yang baru. So sekarang kita ada punca-punca yang lama, isn't it? Okay, so let's use the old one first. What is the formula? Kalau SOR, bila tambah, dia akan jadi negative B over A. When you darab, it will be C over A. This one you have to memorize sebab any tak diberi dalam exam. Okay, this is not given. Okay, so we tambah first alpha plus beta negative B negative 4 over A. So that means my answer here is positive 4 over 3. Okay, yang ini kita darab, so that means C kan, C is 9 over 3, maka saya dapat 3. Okay, kita perlukan information ini untuk membantu when we do the new roots. Okay, HTP baru. Okay, new SOR. Okay, sekarang kita akan guna 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta. Okay, boleh tambah ke? Cannot tambah, isn't it? Because, why cannot? Because they don't have the same denominator. Okay, denominator dia tak sama, so kita kena samakan. Times beta times beta times alpha times alpha. So beta plus alpha over alpha beta. Okay, adakah kita mempunyai nilai for alpha plus beta? Ada kan? So tulis kat atas sini 4 over 3. Okay, what is alpha beta? 3. So bahagi 3 like this. So 4/3 kita bahagi dengan 3. So we will get 4 over 9. Okay, now let's cari hasil darab punca yang baru. So the new product of roots, which is 1 over alpha times 1 over beta. So 1 times 1 is 1. Alpha darab with beta is alpha beta. Okay, so what is alpha beta? 3, isn't it? Okay, so 1/3. Okay, 1 over 3 right. So now we can already write our new equation. Persamaan yang baru, x square minus HTP. What is HTP? 4 over 9x plus HDP. Okay, but you cannot leave your answer like this sebab got pecahan, isn't it? So the whole thing, semua ni kita darab dengan 9. Selalu kalau depan darab, behind also must darab lah. Okay, so here will be 9x square minus 4x. This should be 2, so tambah 2. Okay, this is, kejap, 3. Oh sorry, tambah 3. So this should be our final answer. Okay, okay, so teacher will see you in the next video.